Namaste and welcome back for the session 8 of Nature Flow with me, Indira Chauva. I hope you are enjoying these practices. Just me practicing in the nature and you visualizing being here right in front of me. So I'm back again, close to the water this time, but it's still not a flowing water. So it is way more calmer today so that we can explore the other types of pranayama and meditation techniques. So let's get started. Be any comfortable posture, either sitting on a chair or on the mat. If you're on the mat, not comfortable sitting for about 20-25 minutes, still feel free to put something under your buttocks. Maybe a folded blanket, sit at the edge of a small squared pillow or even blocks without them harming you much. Hard surface might make you feel uncomfortable after a point. So make sure that your sitting posture is comfortable. Of course, we are going to do some movement since I have a mat and I can make you move a little, warm up your body, joints, everything before we start with the pranayama. So hands in mudra, chin mudra, roll shoulders back and down, eyes closed. Inhale, deep breath. Exhale, long. Inhale. Exhale. Now today, take a moment to observe the length of your breath. So when you're inhaling, count like 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're exhaling as well, count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let's do that. Inhale, count the length of your inhalation. Exhale, count the length of your exhalation. Inhale, expand the abdomen, observe the length of your inhalation, count. Exhale, contract the abdomen, observe the length of exhalation. Counting. Inhale, count, expand the belly. Exhale, count, contract the belly. Remember this count till the end of the practice. Let us do it even post-practice as well. So now, setting up an intention to keep the breath as long as possible throughout pranayama practice. With that intention, let us begin with 3 Omkara. Namaskar Mudra. Remember why we chant 3 Omkara? To seek blessings from the universe for no obstacles, for your family members, your people living, any other beings, your pets or children. Let them not disturb you during this practice, and your own body and mind not giving up. With that intention, chant Om 3 times. Inhale. 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 Inhale and exhale. Observe that calmness, even just 3 rounds of Omkara, what it can do to your mind. And open palms, look into palms, open eyes. Namaste. Yes. Slowly. Okay, interlock fingers, inhale, length of the spine. Exhale, release your hands by the side, look up. Interlock, inhale, lengthen, look down. Exhale, by the side, look up. Inhale, lengthen, look down. Exhale, by the side, look up. Once more, inhale and exhale. Right. Come on to all fours, cat-cow. So place a cushion under your knees if it's challenging. Knees down, palms separated, shoulder width apart, keeping your toes tucked in. Inhale, arch your back, chin up, look up. As you exhale, curl your spine. Inhale, arch your back. If you're getting distracted, anything within your house, room, look at the nature behind me. Exhale so that it kind of brings your awareness back to the practice. Inhale, arch, look up. Exhale, curl. By looking at a very serene view, inhale, arch back. You will definitely get more calmer. Exhale, curl. Inhale, arch back, look up. Exhaling, curl. This time, inhale, come back to neutral. And what you do, step your right foot in the front. Okay, this is to open up your hips. Remember, we do butterfly. And today, what you're going to do, open the hip to the front and back. So, step forward between your palms. So, inhale, sink your hip down. Okay, if you want to walk your foot forward, adjust, check your front knee and heel in one line. Exhale, move it back and straightening the front leg. Don't change anything. Inhale, move your hip forward. Exhale, back. Just to open up your hips so that you can sit comfortably. Inhale, hips forward, chest up. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 2 more times. Inhale, forward. Focus on hip sinking down. Exhale, back. 1 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Come back to center. Inhale and stay there. Now, those who are comfortable here, you can keep your palms or fingertips, whichever comfortable. Tuck your back foot. See if you can lift your back knee little off the mat and stay there. Just 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Tuck your back foot. Move your hip back. Step your right leg back and left foot to the front. Same practice. Inhale, sink your hip down. Look forward. Exhale, move your hip back, straightening the front leg without disturbing the front foot. Inhale, incorporate breathing with this. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. It is so calm and serene here today. Inhale. I'm sure you can see it by looking at the lake, the pond at me at the back. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last time. And exhale. Now inhale. Move your hips forward. If you're comfortable, only then, okay? Otherwise, you can just stay here. Others who are more comfortable, back foot tucked in to point back and lift the back knee just for 5 counts. 1, I know it's challenging. 2, it's going to stretch your hip more. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, tuck your back foot, move your hips back, exhale. Right. Inhale, just move your hips forward, open up the hip a little more, just last movement for your hip. Exhale, sit back. Inhale, forward. You don't have to sit completely. Up dog, hips forward. This is going to strengthen your back. Exhale, back. Tuck your toes. Sit a little back, not much. Inhale, focus more on moving forward. This is to strengthen your back. Exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale. Excellent. Come back to center. Be on your knees or cross leg, whichever comfortable for you, for the lateral bend. Okay, so you can keep your hand or fingertips. Inhale, exhale, bend. Exhale, bend to the other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, without lifting your legs or buttocks off the heels like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Release. And you can sit in this posture itself to do your pranayama anytime. Vajrasana is one of the best poses to keep your spine straight, which you can choose to do. So I'll maybe sit here for some time, then I will change back to my meditative posture after a point. You can do that too, or else continue till the end. If you feel any numbness, tingling sensation in your calves and lower legs, so change your position. So get ready. Sit in any comfortable posture, palms resting on your thighs. If you know that, if you ask me, is there any one asana that I can do after eating food, is this. This is the only asana you are allowed to do it, because that stops the circulation to the lower part of the body and improves circulation to the digestive system. Okay, so hope you follow this. Just sit for 5 minutes right after food every day, especially the days you feel more heavier, mandatory, or you must do it. Okay, get ready. And then starting with the palms here, eyes closed, take few deep breaths to settle down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Observe that calmness. If you find it, the calmness in your room, wherever you're practicing, make sure these practices are done alone, in a closed room, like with no distractions ideally, or like in a open place like this where you don't have much distractions, worldly distractions like vehicles or people calling, shouting, or any other external sounds not related to the nature. Anything related to the nature would calm you down, so those sounds would still be good for your mind. So once you find that complete calmness in the room, so let's begin with the Kapalabhati practice. Okay, so remember the cleansing practice before we start with the pranayama. So closing your right nostril and start on your left, 10 strokes and begin. Remember, so you are not going to practice if you are under menstruation, lower back issues, heart problems, blood pressure issues, migraine, headache. You will do only inhale and exhale, one nostril. Okay, let's begin. 10 strokes, inhale and start. Once you finish, close the left nostril, open your right and start. 10. And release the hands, palms back on the thighs. Any mucus coming out of your nostrils, you never hold on to. Let it go out. Blow it out. Keep a napkin with you. Clear the nostrils and continue. Just because you don't want to feel that embarrassing moment of that's coming out, don't hold. And start through the both nostrils. 10. Nicely. Active exhalation. Once you finish, observe the breath. Now the second set, the 20. If that's too challenging, go back to 10 or in between. The 15 is also fine if 10 is too easy. So close your right nostril with your right thumb, start on your left, aim for 20. If any back pain comes in between, please stop the practice and do normal breathing. Do not proceed. And start from your left. Close your left nostril, start on your right, exhale. Now together, both nostrils. Observe the breathing. Do you feel any suspension of the breath? That means you neither feel like breathing in nor feel like breathing out. Or you feel very light at the breath, at the chest. Any sensations in the abdomen and forehead. Kapala bhati. Kapala means the head. Bhati is the shining. The practice to shine the kapala, which also clears the clutter of thoughts. The cluttered thoughts in your mind drains our energy, so few rounds of Kapalabhati can make you more relaxed because it clears all those thoughts immediately. Now starting with the Nadi Shodhana, anytime you want to change your posture, stretch your legs out, wiggle them, relax and come back, please do that. Even if I'm in the middle of a practice, do not force yourself to bear the pain for a long time. For some time, absolutely fine. Because you need to be absolutely comfortable with the body to focus on pranayama. Let's start with a simple Nadi Shodhana. After cleansing, balancing pranayama. So closing your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale from left. Close the left, exhale through right. Inhale from right. Exhale through left. Inhale from left. Exhale through right. Inhale from right. Exhale through left. Now today, you can release the hand down first. If you need to open your eyes and observe me practicing, please do open and I observe. So one palm on the stomach. We have done the abdominal breathing so far, but haven't started with the addition of the chest. That means when you inhale, expand the belly and make sure even the chest expands immediately, like this. Now when you exhale, relax the chest first and abdomen next. We will add that in our Nadi Shodhana practice. And at the end of inhalation, pause for that just couple of seconds and exhale. Okay, so let's do. So closing your right nostril, first exhale out through your left. You can place your left palm on your stomach. Inhale, expand the belly, then the chest. Then close the left. After you hold for a few seconds, open your right. Exhale, relax your chest first, then draw the belly. Do the same thing. Inhale from right, expand the abdomen, then chest. Close the right. Hold it for a couple of seconds. Open the left. Exhale through your left. That transition time you're holding for a couple of seconds. Inhale from left, expand the abdomen and then chest. Close it. Exhale through right. Relax the chest and abdomen drawn in. Inhale from right. While you close, holding, open, left side, exhale. Now you move your palm to the chest to see that, to make sure chest is also getting expanded. Inhale, expand the abdomen, then the chest. Close it, exhale through right, relax the chest first, then the belly drawn in. Inhale from right. For a second hold, exhale through left. Inhale from left. Close the left, exhale through right. Inhale from right, first expand the abdomen, then the chest. Exhale through your left. Inhale from left, expand the belly and chest. Close the left, exhale through right. Now inhale from right. Close it, exhale through left. One more round. Inhale from left, expand the abdomen and chest. Exhale through right, relax the chest first, then the abdomen. Inhale, expand the abdomen and chest. Exhale through your left, relax your chest first, then the abdomen drawn. Now release your hands. If you remember the length of the count we have done in the beginning, now see if you can compare now as well. Inhale through both nostrils. Exhale through both nostrils. Now do the same thing, abdomen and chest involvement. Inhale, abdomen first, then the chest. Exhale, first chest relax, then draw the abdomen. 4 more times. Meantime, start counting the length of your inhalation. Inhale, count. Exhale, count. Inhale, count. Exhale, count. See if you can put an effort and increase the number. Inhale, expand the abdomen and chest. Exhale. Now to increase that length, you can open your eyes and watch me if you don't understand. So keep your palms on your lower chest. The lower chest, like sides of your ribs. Okay, thumb pointing back at the back, 4 fingers to the side of your chest. You will miraculously see that your breath goes automatically high and you can literally feel your chest expanding with every inhalation. Inhale, expand the belly and chest. Exhale, relax the ribs and abdomen. Inhale. Exhale. You can literally feel the ribs opening up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Any distractions, keep coming back to the counting of the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Make sure you're sitting straight. Anytime you want to change the posture, do that. Exhale. Right, now starting with the relax your hands, Brahmari practice in this calm, serene environment. Looks like there are no distractions apart from those beautiful birds chirping. I feel it very right place for me to, go more inward from that external chaos of the life. Me going inward is very important for me to find the happiness within me, not looking for outside. So feel free to change any posture meantime, starting with the Brahmari practice. Those who don't know, watch me for the first round and then continue for the next 4 more rounds. Others can go ahead, continue Brahmari pranayama for 5 rounds if you are a regular practitioner. So beginners, close your ears with your thumb and then put your other fingers on your head. So need not to worry about where to keep your fingers, just keep it on the head. You're going to breathe in normally, don't close your ears now. Breathe out making this sound. Like how a honeybee humming. So how a honeybee hums, if you have seen any time. So make sure that you close your ears this way and do it. So let's begin 5 rounds. Closing your ears gently with your thumbs. Inhale, deep breath. Gently release your hands once you're done with the 5 rounds of Brahmari. Keeping your eyes closed, observe the inner sound of that humming still running in your mind. And take your awareness to the eyebrow center internally, keeping your eyes closed. Visualize that your gaze is at the eyebrow center and stay absolutely still without moving the body. Keeping your awareness there if you can. Any sensation in the eyes, pain in the eyebrows, eyes rolling up, relax. Others continue. And slowly relax the efforts, relax your eyes, eyebrows, and reflect on the practice, the effect of it on your mind. How was it before the practice, before you started? What was your state of the mind? And now, with mindful breathing, pranayama, Brahmari, you being concentrated on your breath, how did it help you calm down? Observe that, and with that observation, let us end with one Omkara, Tri Shanti. Tri Shanti to be grateful and express gratitude to your universe, your family, friends who supported you to practice, and your own body and mind supported. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently rub your palms, transfer the warmth to the eyes. Cupping on your eyes. Open palms, look into palms, open eyes. Yes, that was our end of the session. So hope you enjoyed practicing mindful breathing and very simple practices if you do it every day. And of course, in this calm nature, it's much more added. But you just looking at it, hope it's helping your mind to calm down and also the practices. So let me know your feedback on our Facebook community group, that is Stronger Together with Cultivate Home. So until then, see you in the next session for much more interesting backgrounds and practicing asana, mindfulness, pranayama and meditation. Until then, take care, rest well. This is Indira signing off. Namaste.